Hello and welcome to this intro video of our three models of remote display. Remote displays are mainly used in areas where high visibility of a scale value is required. First, we have the 808AH that has 5-inch digit size in the middle. Second, we have the 808BH, which is similar to the 808AH with the addition of red and green traffic lights up top. And third, we have the 808CH, which is smaller in size with the 2.5-inch digit size. All three models have powder-coated mild steel enclosure that can withstand the harshest environment. The enclosures have silicone gasket for IP65 weatherproofing and suitable for outdoor environment, and include a Gore breather valve to accommodate change in air pressure and avoid condensation. The enclosure and the sun visor at the top of the unit are angled slightly downwards to let water and debris roll off, here and here. The AH and BH models come pre-packaged with wall mount and pole mount kits. The CH model comes with wall mount ears already attached. Opening and closing the displays is easily done without any tools by using latching hooks on both sides of the display, like this. On the AH and BH models, there is an internal plate for holding the motherboard and display boards. This plate is held in place by using two spring hooks that can be released by thumb. These are the display boards, this is the motherboard, and these are the spring hooks. And they snap in place like so. In each of the AH and BH models, there are two identical digit display boards. The BH model has an extra traffic light board. The display brightness can either be controlled by software settings or can be automatically adjusted by ambient light sensor for day and nighttime brightness control. The motherboard for all three models are identical and has screw terminals for easy wiring, here and here. The motherboard has a standard industrial communications via RS-232, RS-422, RS-485, 20 mA current loop, and an optional RF wireless link. Some noteworthy features of the remote displays are auto detect for selecting the used communication method and associated baud rate, auto learn functionality for detecting the incoming communication protocol and parsing the communicated strings, external 4-key membrane keypad for menu driven setup functions, switch input and relay output modules for controlling external traffic lights. 2 independent echo out communication port allows for daisy chaining of remote displays. The remote displays can also be converted into wireless remote displays with the WL900R conversion kit. During startup, the remote display auto detects the used communication method and performs auto learn on the baud rate and protocol used. In this case, turning on the remote displays, they perform a self-test first. That's the version number. And there you go. This setup shows the connectivity and communication of our three different models of remote displays, 805TS indicator and WL900 transmitter. In this setup, the 805TS indicator reads analog signal from the load cell, then communicates it via RS-232 communication to the WL900 wireless transmitter. The wireless transmitter sends the signal to the 808BH, which is converted to a wireless display. The 808AH and the 808CH are daisy changed from the 808BH with serial communication port to display the same value. The traffic light operation of the 808BH can be controlled by an outside switch, or in this case, by the WL900 wireless transmitter using tactile buttons. Showing green and red. All remote display models are CE approved for worldwide use, and remote displays that have wireless functionality are FCC certified worldwide. All remote displays come in a standard 100 to 240 AC or optional DC versions. This concludes the introduction to our 808AH, BH, and CH remote display products. Please contact us for any questions you might have about these products or any of our ANYLOAD products or service offerings. Please visit us at www.anyload.com or contact us by phone at 604-420-2130.